Hello everyone, welcome back to Auto Pulse. Imagine hitting the open road with zero emissions, no gas stations, and the freedom to camp anywhere, on three wheels. The 2025 Liberty electric camper tricycle is changing the game for eco-conscious adventurers. In a world where sustainability and compact travel are becoming the norm, the Liberty electric camper tricycle is an innovative solution for solo travelers and minimalists. It blends the efficiency of an e-bike with the comfort of a micro camper, offering an all-in-one package for commuting, camping, and adventure. In this video, we'll explore what makes this tricycle unique, its features, specifications, and why it might be the future of solo travel. The 2025 Liberty electric camper tricycle is built with a lightweight yet sturdy aluminum alloy frame, ensuring durability without excessive weight. Its aerodynamic shape minimizes wind resistance, improving efficiency and battery performance. The three-wheel design enhances stability, especially when carrying extra weight in the camper section. Unlike traditional e-bikes, this model has a fully enclosed cabin for all-weather protection, making it suitable for year-round travel. At the rear, the integrated camper module provides enough space for sleeping, storage, and even small essentials like a foldable table. The compact but efficient layout ensures comfort while maintaining portability. Powered by a 1500W hub motor, the Liberty electric camper tricycle can reach speeds of up to 28 miles per hour, 45 km/h, making it street legal in most places without requiring a motorcycle license. The 48V60A lithium-ion battery provides an impressive range of up to 75 miles, 120 km per charge, depending on terrain and weight load. For extended trips, the built-in solar panels on the roof help recharge the battery during the day, adding an extra 10 to 15 miles of range daily in sunny conditions. Charging is convenient, taking about 4 to 6 hours with a standard charger, or faster with a DC fast charger. Whether plugged into a power station or relying on solar energy, this camper trike is designed for off-grid independence. Inside the camper module, space is efficiently designed for one person. The foldable bed transforms into a seating area during the day. There's a small storage area for camping gear, a USB charging port, and LED interior lights. For ventilation, a built-in fan and side windows provide airflow. Some premium models even include an optional mini fridge and a portable power station, perfect for keeping food fresh on longer journeys. The Liberty electric camper tricycle comes with a 7-inch touchscreen display, providing real-time data on speed, battery level, navigation, and solar charging stats. It's also Bluetooth-enabled for smartphone integration, allowing access to maps, music, and trip tracking. A rear-view camera and parking sensors ensure safe maneuvering, especially in tight spots. There's also an alarm system and GPS tracking, giving peace of mind when parking in remote locations. One of the biggest advantages of this camper tricycle is its zero-emission design. It's fully electric, meaning no fuel costs, no emissions, and a much smaller carbon footprint compared to traditional RVs or camper vans. With the addition of solar panels, users can harness renewable energy, making it ideal for off-grid exploration while reducing reliance on public charging stations. Solo travelers looking for an affordable and sustainable way to explore. Digital nomads who need a mobile, self-sufficient setup. Eco-conscious commuters who want an alternative to cars. Van lifers who prefer a downsized, more minimalist experience. Its compact size means it can navigate through urban streets, bike lanes, and even park in small spaces, making it a great alternative to traditional camper vans or RVs. The 2025 Liberty electric camper tricycle starts at $5,500 and for the base model, with premium versions that include extra battery capacity, smart tech upgrades, and solar panel extensions going up to $7,800, and pre-orders are already open, and deliveries are expected to begin mid-2025. Early adopters may even get exclusive accessories like a foldable solar panel kit or an upgraded seat for extra comfort. The Liberty electric camper tricycle is more than just an electric bike, it's a self-sufficient travel companion. With its blend of eco-friendliness, practicality, and affordability, it's shaping the future of compact, sustainable travel. Would you take this on your next adventure? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more innovative vehicle reviews. Until next time, ride smart, explore freely, and stay powered by the sun.